trilogy. Okay, you're never too young to follow your dreams. Just ask 7-year-old author of The Little Girls and the Cave, Eden Emmanuel Williams, who is with us now on set. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You are Jamaican?
Yes, I am.
You live here?
Yes, I do.
Okay, all right. So, I understand that you are a grade 2 student at St. George's Primary and Infant School. Guess who went to that school?
I'm guessing you.
Ah, you guessed right. Tell me a little bit about your school. I want to know what it's like now. I left there a long time ago.
Okay. So, I'm in grade 2. My teacher, Miss Lawrence, loves me a lot.
She loves you? Do you love her?
She talks about me lots of times.
Okay.
And I love her too.
You do sports?
No, I don't.
Do you have a lot of friends in your class?
No.
You don't? A few?
Yes, I have a few. I stay to Kyra.
Kyra is your best friend? Oh. Is she watching this morning?
I'm
so.
not sure.
Okay. Beautiful, you're a beautiful little girl. First off.
Miss Lawrence lets us host our own meeting.
On Zoom?
Yes, on Zoom.
You host your... So how has school been going on Zoom? Because that's been tough for a lot of people. You like that? You like school on Zoom? Really?
We get to do a lot of things.
You get to do a lot of things on Zoom that you wouldn't do in the regular classroom? Okay. All right. So, you are an author at 7. The Little Girls and the Cave.
I started at 6.
Oh, you started when you were just 6. Okay. Tell me a little bit about why you love... First of all, you obviously love stories.
I do.
Why do you love stories?
Well, I like to tell them to my grandmother and my mother when I'm over with my dad, because I don't get to see them much. My grandma's overseas.
Your grandma's overseas? Okay. So do you think you have like a very bright imagination?
I think I do.
So you come up with a lot of stories all the time? And this is one of them? Okay, so tell me a little bit about this story, because I read it. It was scary, but it was at the end, it was like, yay! So tell me a little bit about this book.
So, it was about these girls getting lost on their way home, but they had to go through a scared cave with dangerous creatures inside of it, but they came out successful because they used their weapons to defeat the dangerous creatures.
Okay. So the one time they met a wolf, they met a dinosaur.
And a bear.
And a bear. But they had weapons, so they were able to slay all the animals. And then at the end, they were like, what are we going to do with all this meat? So what did they do with the meat?
They washed the meat and they stored it in their freezer.
Because they're going to eat the animals. Aha, so much for the animals, right? They can't get you. They can't get you. So how long did it take you to write the book?
Well, I didn't write the book.
Okay.
My mother wrote it down.
Based on what you told her?
It's based off of my mother, my grandmother, and me.
So you are the 3 girls in the cave? I see. So then how did you get like the pictures drawn up and stuff?
My mother got someone to draw them, but she did all the writing.
Okay. Tell me about your mom. You talk about your mother a lot.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Can you tell me a little bit about mommy?
She is 29, going to be 30.
Oh, no, you're going to tell me her age. Sorry, mommy, that was not my intention. Yes?
And her birth month is in July.
And what does she do for a living?
She does writing for people. I don't really know much about what she does.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay, but you know she's a writer in part. Okay, so since you wrote this book, got the images drawn up, and you're holding the actual book in your hand, how did you get the word out to all your friends and all your family? Look, guys, I have a book.
I told my teacher, and she spreaded the word
Right.
to the classroom and the class and the group.
Right. But there are so many more people who know about this book now. Is it like on Amazon or?
It is on Amazon. The paperback is for $14.99.
The paperback is...
And the ebook is for $9.99.
Okay. So if we want to buy it, we can just go on Amazon and buy it?
If you're having any trouble buying it, you can text us on Instagram, Eden Will, M Will, E, let me spell that, EDENEMWILL.
EDEMEMWILL on Instagram.
WILL.
Right. And so we can find you there to find out more about the book. Okay. And so what have people been saying to you about the book?
They love the book and they've been buying it for their children, and I hope that continues.
Of course, me too. So I understand that this is the first of 3 books. Is that true? So what's going to be in the next one?
I'm gonna write more books.
About what? Are they going to be in the cave again and more adventures, or are the 3 little
They're
girls
gonna be
go
in more adventures.
somewhere else outside of the cave? Oh, okay. And then the 3rd one is going to be more adventures still. And so what does Eden want to be when Eden grows up?
I want to be arts, all sorts of things.
Like?
I want to be a singer.
Can you sing? Can I hear a bit of a song?
Sure.
Yes. If you're nervous, it's okay. Nervous? So then never mind. So you want to be a singer? What else?
I would like to be a dancer.
A dancer. Do you dance now?
Yes, I do. I
Do
like
you-
gymnastics.
Oh, do you do gymnastics now?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I want to be all sorts of things in the world.
Well, can I tell you something? You can be everything that you want to be. There are no limits on your dreams. If you want to sing, if you want to dance, if you want to do gymnastics, you don't have to be any one thing. You can be all of the things that you want to do.
I also want to be a neurosurgeon.
Oh, you want to be a neurosurgeon too? So you're going to be a dancing, singing neurosurgeon. Okay.
I
Sounds
know
like
this
a plan.
story.
Sounds like a plan. And you're going to keep writing? Okay, great. So great to meet you this morning. The Little Girls and the Cave is a book. You can find it, as Eden says, on Amazon, or you can go
And
on
if you have
Instagram.
unlimited Kindle, you can read it for free.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Instagram, EDENEMWILL, Eden M. Will, and you can get it there. Thank you for coming in this morning. Say hi to your best friend. What's her name again?
Kyra.
Kyra. Hi, Kyra. Say
Hi.
morning to Kyra. And everybody else you want to say hi to. Just wave.
Hi, Miss Florence.
As your teacher. Tell the teachers are such an inspiration to the kids. Good to have you here this morning. Author of The Little Girls and the Cave. What a sweet spirit. Eden Emmanuel Williams. And that is it for Off the Shelf. Thank you.